Good day, everyone. My name is Mike from the Genius FX. I am a professional forex trader in all aspects, but in the Genius, we specialized in gold, Euro US dollar, and GBP, that is pounds. And today, I'll be teaching you a strategy that we use in the Genius FX that works 99.9% accurate, and we call it PIBBAC strategy. PIBBAC strategy. It is a combination of 4 indicators. P stands for Parabolic, I stands for Ichimoku, BB stands for Bollinger bands, and C stands for Commodity Channel Index. The most important in these indicators are Parabolic SAR and CCI, because these two indicators are the one we use to enter buy or sell in the financial market. Now, let's go to our chart. Like I said, I will be using gold chart or GPB to do the settings and analysis. Firstly, let's click on our F sign at the top. This is our F sign at the top. Then we click on it. Then we are going to locate Parabolic SAR. Here is our Parabolic SAR. Then we click on it. By default, it is 0.02 and max is 0.2. But we are going to do the settings, change the steps to 0.01, then maximum to 0.01. Also, you can choose the color of your choice, but in the Genius FX we use color black. Then you click done up here. You click done here at the top after your settings. Then it will look like this on your chart. Guys, look at it. It will look like this on your chart. Now you go back to your F sign again. Here, go back to your F sign again. Then you click on it. Then you go back to, you look for Commodity Channel Index. Commodity Channel Index. Then you click on it. By default, period is 14. Apply to its typical price. Then the level is -100, 0, then +100. But we are going to do the settings. We don't use normal settings here. That is what it takes to give us better accuracy. You change your period to 200. You leave it to typical price. Then you tick your color. You might leave the color like that, or you choose the color of your choice. Level. Here you click on level. You change the first level to 40, then the second level to -40, then the next level to 0. You go to description. Here you go to description. I mean here, and here. Then 40 you write buy, -40 you write sell. Then you put it to black and make it a little bit thicker. Then you click on done. Guys, this is how it looks like. As you can see, This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. We are going to be back testing it one after the other when the time comes. Let's continue to see how it works. Now, you can decide to add the remaining indicator, which is Bollinger Bands by default setting and Ichimoku. But that Ichimoku, you remove Kumo Cloud and Chicken Spam line from your chart so that it will not be confusing. That is all about the setting, guys. That is all about the settings. That is all about the settings. Now, this is how it works. Whenever you see your parabolic change direction from up to down, it means the market is about to change direction. Whenever your parabolic, let me give another instance. Now look at it here. Whenever your parabolic change direction from up to down, it simply means market is about to change direction. Now, the good news about this strategy is that it works perfectly on mobile Android phone and also on laptop. Now, let's go to how we can use it to enter market for buy or selling. I am going to be doing 2 or 3 backtesting both on buying and selling, and I'm going to be showing you where you can set your stop loss and take profit. Warning: don't trade against the trend because it's your friend. Always follow where the market is going. This strategy is a trade following strategy. It is a trend following strategy, and important is that let all the PIBBAC criteria be met before executing any trade. It works perfectly on any lower time frame like 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 4-hour time frame. Now, let's go back to our chart to be back testing it one after the other and see how we can buy and how we can sell. Like this one now, this is the recent market. Now look at it from here. Anytime you see your parabolic changes like this from up to down, it means market is about to change direction. Now you are going to hold, you wait. Firstly, you set your trend line. Set your trend line on the last dot of the parabolic star. You set your trend line like I did. You set your trend line, then you wait for CCI line to cross above 40 or to cross below -40. Here, you wait for your trend line to cross above 40 or to cross below 40. Now let me show you another one. You wait for your trend line to close. You wait for your trend line to close. To cross above 40 or below -40. Now, after I set my trend line here, when the parabolic star change direction, I set my trend line here. Then I'm going to wait for where the line cross. where that line cross, here, where that line cross, this is where you are going to execute your trade. At this candle, you execute your trade. You execute your trade from here. You execute your trade from here. Then you set your stop loss at the back of the first parabolic dot. That is where you set your stop loss. Your stop loss here. Then you execute your trade here. You can decide to take your profit anywhere you want at your own choice, at your own risk. But remember, guys, greediness in forex always leads to loss, sometimes to total loss. Whenever you make profit, keep your profit. It's either you lock your profit, or you break even your profit, or you take your profit. Greediness in forex is always led to loss. So that's the first signal, guys. Now let us look for second signal, a very clear signal. Now look at it here. This is a very clear signal. You set your trend line to the last dot of the parabolic here. You set your trend line to the last dot. Then you are going to be waiting for CCI line to cross above 40. That is for the buying sell, for the buying opportunity. Now look at it. This is where clear picture of the trend line, the CCI line cross the above 40. Now look at it here. It crosses above 40 here. Then this is exactly where I will execute my trade. That is exactly where I will execute my trade and put my stop loss at the back of this parabolic SAR. Now look at it. The market went forward, continued to grow from this place, from where I enter to this place. As you can see, this is a lot of money because it is GPB, pounds, or gold. Let me go show you another sell opportunity. This is another sell opportunity. Guys, you are going to like this strategy after watching, and try to click on like and subscribe to this channel. Now let me show you sell order. This is sell order here, this sell opportunity. Now look at it here. Our parabolic dot has changed from down to up. Look at it. Then we set our trend line. This is our trend line. We set our trend line here on the last dot when the price action has already hit the damn parabolic. Then we are going to be looking for opportunity to sell. We wait until this line cross. Look at it here. This is where the line cross. Here. That's where the line cross down. Below minus 40. This is where we are going to execute our trade. We set our stop loss here. Then we take our profit at our own convenient time. Look at it. This is exactly where the CCI line cross below minus 40. That is to say, that is sell opportunity. Guys, that is sell opportunity. Now look at it. The market continue to grow. The market continue to come down, continue to grow. Look at it, guys. The market continue to grow. The market continue to grow from up to down. As long as you can hold your trade, hold your trade. But in the Genius FX, we take profit as soon as we make profit. This is another buy opportunity here. This is another buy opportunity here. Firstly, after you see your parabolic change direction from up to down. Then you are going to set your your trend line to the last dot of that parabolic, which I did. Then you are going to be waiting for immediately after the parabolic. Look at it here. The trend line cross from down to up above 40. Above 40. Now look at it, guys. This is it. Trend line cross from down to up. From down to up, and again, this is where we take our buy opportunity. We set our stop loss here, then we take our profit as soon as possible. But as you can see, the market continue to grow. The market continue to grow. Look at it, guys. It's a very good strategy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Parabolic continue to change from up to down. Look at it. From up to down. Then from down to up. Look at it. Like that, like that. Here also, parabolic change from down to up. That is sell opportunity. Now look at it here. Parabolic change from up to down. That is buy opportunity. Look at it here. Parabolic change from up to down. That is sell opportunity, and so on and so forth. Like I told you guys, don't forget to set your trend line immediately after parabolic has already changed direction. That is to see the clear picture of the trade. Then you will wait for CCI line, commodity channel index line, to cross above 40 line or to cross below minus 49. Important. The most important is that Forex is real and people are succeeding. Just be disciplined, like we do here in Discipline Genius Forex Traders firm, the Genius FS. Thanks everyone for your time, and I believe this will take you far in forex trading. I remain myself, Adetokunbo Mike, from the Genius FS.